Start a quick video of saying hello to Pearl. Hi Pearl. How are you doing today? Hey? You okay? You were really talkative earlier and you're not saying anything. Okay. I'll leave you to your vegetables. And James, he likes chewing up all the newspapers. He's blind in one eye because a dog took out his eye when he was younger, a few years ago. He's a little nervous. Oh, you right, bud? I'll have to give him some new newspaper shortly. I only changed it about an hour ago. And I think this is Roger. Hey Roger. Or are you Riley? I forget. Roger and Riley are together. Or in the cages next to each other. Can't remember which of these two was like the only survivor of a pet shop fire. He's restless. So I think this is Riley and the other's Roger, but he doesn't seem to want to be on camera. He's okay though. And these two are the cockatiels that I'm adopting. So Zuko and Peaches. They've become a bit more friendly towards me today. Hey. I'm not sure which one's which. But they're absolutely adorable, these two.
Well, exactly. Well, why not? Now, Abby, what is it that you just don't get that everyone else is banging?
Oh, Pearl will be going back to the owner next month. James, we think we might have found someone to take him on, possibly. Should be nice for him. These two, I think, also have had maybe a little bit of interest in them. So, and like I said, I'm taking these two on myself. So this room will be empty in a few weeks, hopefully.